Hope you guys are all having an excellent day. This video is all about Cardano. There is a major update coming very soon. We're gonna get into that, all that and more about Cardano and possible price action in the future in this video. And if you're new here, definitely consider smashing that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So let's just jump right into it. As we see right here from Input Output HK, we got a tweet for them saying, we're on. We can today confirm that Mary Cardano protocol update is now fully confirmed for March 1st, 2021. Another key milestone in the Kucoin rollout, the update introduces native tokens and multi-asset support, beginning exciting new use cases for Cardano. It says we shall shortly submit the updated protocol for the Mary update to the mainnet. So guys, Cardano's always up to date. They're always posting updates about what they're doing with Cardano. It's one of the few coins, even during the bear market, they were always saying, hey, we're doing this, we're doing that. That's something I like to see with a project. So cool. See, for March 1st, they're on track for that. And we had an article here over at btcmanager.com. Just wanted to scroll down. They kind of go through a little bit of this. Wanted to hit up the highlights though. The highlights were right here. It says, by creating tokens on Cardano blockchain, the decentralized Cardano blockchain is transformed into a multi-asset blockchain. The move will reveal Cardano's full promise of various services and solutions, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, we've been talking about that for months, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, they are a big deal right now, stable coins, and many more, and paved the way for a fast-growing decentralized crypto economy. Guys, Cardano getting into DeFi, Cardano getting into NFTs, that's a big deal. That is a big deal. Scrolling down, they go into more, what does this mean for this? Well, with the Mayor hard fork that's upcoming for the Kucoin era, it's such a big deal for the process for Cardano. I mean, this right here could cause the price of Cardano to appreciate to well over new all-time highs. I mean, just crazy stuff could happen. So that's a little update, just picking out the key features from this article. Let's move over to CoinMarketCap. Currently, Cardano's at $1.14. It's about 9% for today. And as we can see, the market cap's around $35.3 billion. Wanted to point out 69% of the total supplies of the circulating supply is out. So the total supply is 45 million. I apologize, 45 billion. And the actual circulating is 31.1 billion is out. So 69% of it's already released. You want to see what's going on there. It's on a lot of places. It's on a lot of exchanges. Binance US, Upbit, DigiFinex. It's on a bunch. Kraken, BitTrue. So if you guys are interested in Cardano, there's a bunch of places to get it at. Just check out the coin market caps if you don't use any of these top exchanges, which I'm sure all the homies out there already do. So I wanted to head over to the website real quick. It says making the world work better for all. I've had videos on Cardano before, so I don't want to go too much into too much details. But them, creating smart contracts. Basically, they're trying to compete with Ethereum. They're trying to compete with Ethereum, have smart contracts available, possibly coming out this summer, as early as I think I read May. If they can make that happen and have projects built on top of that, that would be huge, as well as NFTs. That's definitely a big deal. On their website, though, they have a roadmap, just like pretty much every crypto project has a roadmap, which is something I like to look at. They had the Byron, they had the Shelly. Now we're working on Kucoin. Probably saying that wrong. You guys can correct me down in the comments. But as I pretty much just went over, though, they're working on smart contracts, getting the NFT space. They're working on decentralized applications. They're working on getting into DeFi and having projects built on top of Cardano. And it seems like, like with Ethereum, how there's all these projects built on Ethereum. So you have to pay the gas fee in Ethereum. So this, you have to pay a gas fee or whatever they decide to call it in Cardano. And I'm 100% sure, at least I hope so, that the fees are a lot better than Ethereum. I mean, I can only imagine competitors will have to make their fees a lot less than what Ethereum has, because it's kind of crazy with Ethereum. The fees are crazy right now, crazy. But yeah, this right here, we're on this step. It's going to be cool to see how fast they can get everything to roll out. This whole Mary protocol, update on March 1st, is just another step in the process for Cardano to be very successful. As we see, it says this will allow the creation of fungible and non-fungible tokens, supporting the creation of new cryptocurrencies on Cardano, as well as the tokenization of many types of digital and physical assets. Another benefit will be easier integration of smart contract and dApp involving multiple cryptocurrencies. Guys, I think Cardano is here to stay. I really do believe that. Not financial advice. I think we're going to see very, very high prices of Cardano. So let's move on over to the charts. Heading over on the daily, guys, I like to just look at it from broad perspective here. This is the Kraken chart. So yes, they had a little bit of some kind of trading issue, liquidity issue, fell down to 15 cents, but that was only on Kraken's website. They also had the issue with like Bitcoin and Ethereum and other pairs as well. But look, on CoinGecko, according to CoinGecko, the all-time high is around $1.18. And look, right where we're getting resistance is right around that area. Not really surprised. I get it, depending on where you look, the all-time high is actually $1.30. It really just does depend. But just keep that in mind. We're getting some resistance there. Once we break that, flip it, hold that support, I expect things to go very well. Let's pull back to the weekly though. How are things looking on the weekly? So this with Kraken, it was listed back in September 2018. But look, the entire bear market, there was plenty of time to accumulate Cardano under 10 cents, well under 10 cents. That's just crazy. The current weekly candle is looking mighty bullish, obviously on the Kraken. I mean, that's a lot of buying pressure right there. That's just amazing. But that's not really accurate because not all the other exchanges have that. So just keep that in mind. It was just a Kraken incident. As we zoom in though, let's pull up the 4-hour. Look, we got rejected twice there, came slamming back down. We tried to get back up, didn't work. Now we're currently on this current 4-hour. We just got rejected against. It still has an hour, it still has 2 hours left until this 4-hour candle closes. So it'll be cool to see what happens there. Is Cardano going to break through, hold it as support, and continue on? You guys let me know. I mean, long term, I definitely expect Cardano to be way above its all-time high. It's just, I mean, what they're doing, if they can really get this upgrade to happen in March 1st, have a successful launch, which it sounds like they're going to have a successful launch. If they can make that happen, that'll be great. That will be great. And the price, I mean, the appreciation of the price, I think will just go sky high. I wouldn't be surprised to see a $5 Cardano, possibly a $10 Cardano this year. Keep in mind, guys, I'm just a dude on the internet. I'm not a financial advisor, so just keep that in mind. It's not financial advice, but I wouldn't be surprised to see somewhere in the range of a $5 to $10 Cardano this year. What do you guys think about that? You guys think a $5 to $10 is possible? As always, let me know your thoughts and comments down below. But what do you guys think about what's going on, like with their updates, how Charles Hoskinson, he's always updating the community on Twitter. He's always on Twitter updating it. Even when you go over to the Twitter right here for input output, they even said, guys, hey, we'll be talking more about Mary Upgrade. Go to this live stream right here that's happening today. They always have updates, guys. They're always keeping their investors, their community up to date. And that's something, especially if you have a big bag, if you're highly invested in this project, that's something that probably keeps your mind at ease, especially when this thing goes to $1, falls back down to 80 cents or whatever happens in the future, because the crypto space has a lot of volatility. So do you guys like the team? Are you guys investing in the team or more in the project? Let me know. And I guess the bigger question is though, do you think Cardano is going to kill Ethereum? Do you think Cardano is going to knock Ethereum out of the park? Let me know down below. And I just want to thank everybody for tuning in today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Expect a live stream later tonight. Smash that subscribe button if you have not already. Follow the Crypto Homie on the tweeters. We got those laser eyes. We got the laser eyes. Hey, shout out to the homie that made it. Thank you so much. And like I said, guys, have a great day, morning, afternoon, wherever you're from. If you've not already, definitely smash that like button. And the Crypto Homie will catch you in the next one.